What's up, Adventures with Dill? We're here at Hmongtown in St. Paul. It's my friend Kerry. We're gonna show you Hmongtown. Yeah, so Hmongtown Village is just like, I don't know, it's like an outdoor night market, but a day market. Is that at night too, or just in the day?
Open till 8.
Open till 8, okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's outdoor stalls, indoor stalls, there's a couple buildings. It's pretty rad. There's lots of textiles and clothes. Oh, and they got a farmer's market down here too. So yeah, it's like the Hmong flea market. It's pretty rad.
The coolest toy you've ever bought, I bet.
Hell yeah, dude. I love this thing.
It's at $5.
Pretty neat little food stall here. Sausages, he's grilling everything. Looking good. We got some Sai croc, it's like Thai sausage, Lao sausage. Try it out. Mmm. Smells so good.
Love dill. It's got
I love dill too. Here we're gonna go out on a limb and get really exotic and show you Kerry's really exotic fried rice. Now be warned, people, you're not gonna see anything like this at home ever again.
shit's off the charts, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious. Hi, Ruth.
Hi.
Oh. So you got like steamed catfish and a banana leaf. I'm gonna try this out.
Yeah, it's really good. Great water.
Oh, hell yeah. This little food stand here, they got some drinks, some papaya salads, and I'm gonna get a nice Thai coffee.
Thank you.
He's like, oh yeah, I've ever known about it. Like, knew everything about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. This is really good, but it tastes like grandma's coffee. It's like extremely sweet. It's really good though. Refreshing. Outdoor market has a little area where you can buy lots of clothes. Mostly women's clothes, looks like dresses and skirts and pants and whatnot. Pretty stuff, but not for me. Maybe it is for me. So yeah, we're leaving Hmongtown Village. It's pretty cool. Check it out. I don't know what the hours are, so I don't know. 8 to 8. 8 to 8 Monday through Friday?
Every day.
Every day. Every day. 8 to 8. All right. So come visit. Come eat. Come enjoy the sights.